In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle missed punches in QuickBooks Time, step by step using the browser version. To begin, open your preferred web browser and log in to QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to edit time entries, such as an admin or manager, so the changes you make can be saved without issues. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Time Entries. This view shows the hours your team has recorded. It's where you can spot gaps, overlaps, or anything that looks off for a given day. Next, locate the employee with the missed punch. You can scan the list by date or employee name. If you see a shift that ends abruptly or a total duration that doesn't make sense, that's your cue that a clock in or clock out is missing. When you've found the right line, click the three-dot menu next to that time entry. From the options that appear, choose Edit. This opens the detailed view, where you can safely correct what's missing. Now enter the missing time in or time out, or adjust the total duration if that's how your team tracks hours. Be sure your times reflect the correct day and format, and that they don't overlap with any other entries for that employee. Small details matter here. Align the start and end to the actual shift, and confirm the break structure your company uses is still accurate. If your organization tracks jobs or services, assign the correct customer and service item. These fields help route the time to the right project and task, which is crucial for job costing and invoicing. Choose the option that best matches the work performed during that shift. Add a short, clear note explaining the correction, such as added missing clockout per supervisor confirmation. Notes create an audit trail, help others understand what changed, and reduce back and forth later. When everything looks right, click Save to update the entry. Take a second to double-check the totals on the main Time Entries page to ensure the day's hours now reflect the correction. If your workflow requires approvals, you can go to Approvals to review and approve the corrected time entry. This step helps lock in accurate hours before payroll or billing, and it signals to others that the update is complete. And that's it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.